Hi. Welcome to first tutorial of Blender Quick Tutorial series. In this tutorial, I will mention about some issues about Blender 3D cursor, isolate and zoom object in the scene. First, type Shift+A, and then add a cube to the scene. If you hit the point button on numpad section, you will zoom to the object you have selected in the scene. Also, if you hit the slash button on numpad section, object that you selected in the scene will isolate automatically. To show that, the buttons which I am typing, I am opening the Screencast Keys add-on in Blender. If I plus the button Shift and right-click mouse button, I can move 3D cursor. If I left the Shift button and remain clicking right mouse button, I can move 3D cursor to any place in the scene. After that, if I plus Control button, I can snap the 3D cursor to the any vertex. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I wish it is helpful. Please subscribe and like the video.